Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your Ethereum with Bitfinex, complete guide step by step clearly. To recover your Ethereum with Bitfinex, begin by visiting the Bitfinex website. Log in to your Bitfinex account using your credentials. If you've forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password option to reset it. Once logged in, navigate to the Wallet section on your dashboard. Locate your Ethereum balance and verify the amount you wish to recover. If your Ethereum is in a different wallet, locate your wallet's recovery phrase or private key. Open your Ethereum wallet application to get started with the recovery process. Select the option to import or recover wallet. Enter your recovery phrase or private key as prompted. Confirm the details and proceed to recover your wallet. Once your wallet is synced, check for the Ethereum balance. If necessary, transfer your recovered Ethereum back to your Bitfinex account. To do this, go back to the Bitfinex wallet section. Select the option to deposit and choose Ethereum. Copy the deposit address provided by Bitfinex. Return to your Ethereum wallet and initiate a transfer. Paste the Bitfinex deposit address in the recipient field. Enter the amount of Ethereum you wish to transfer. Double-check all details before confirming the transaction. After confirming, monitor the transaction status on both wallets. Once complete, your Ethereum will be available in your Bitfinex account. If you encounter any issues, consult Bitfinex support for assistance. Make sure to follow any additional verification steps as required. Keep your recovery phrase and private key secure for future access. By following these steps, you can successfully recover your Ethereum with Bitfinex. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.